felt only right that this is the attire that has to be done while making this. Hey guys, welcome back to Arts and Crafts. We are working on a Powerpuff Girls rug. As you can tell, I've already done all the black outlines. We're just gonna get straight into doing all the color. Ain't nothing left but just blah, 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 you know? We're just gonna get it done. I'll take you guys along the process and we'll see what we can do. I honestly love once I have the stencil up all black and now I just get to fill her in like a coloring book. I'm excited! Red bow is step one. Can we just take a little moment to appreciate how gorgeous this is looking? So impressed. I gotta show you the back. So in this session, we are going to fill the girlies in. Yay! Another color down. Look how cute. Are you kidding me? No, we just gotta get bubbles looking that cute. Look at these pretty ladies. Look at them. Ah! And you know we gotta do it. I'm gonna show you from the back. This is going so well. All there is left to do is the background. I've decided to go for a light blue. I think it's gonna be very cute, kind of giving like in the sky vibes. I don't know, it's just blue, okay? I'm just gonna see how fast I can do this background. I'm either gonna do it until I finish or I run out of these balls. Let's see how long it takes to run out of the balls. Them balls, them diggity balls. Okay. Oh my goodness, we're finally done. They are looking gorgeous, look at them. And look how much balls I have left over. I have restrained myself from looking at the back and we're gonna do it together. I'm too excited. Okay. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it is all done. That did not take me too long, probably like 2 hours to do the whole background. And I now have a new tip that I have learned through many hours of wasting time shaving. I'm going to take my handy dandy tweezers and I'm going to pull out any yarn that is not in the right place. And there we go. It is already looking so much better. Now there's nothing left to do but get this all glued up. So we're gonna do that now. Ultra Bond 420. 420, blaze it. Sorry, I am immature. I'm now gonna let this sit for about 24 hours. It doesn't have to be that long, but I work in the morning, so it's gonna work. We're gonna come back tomorrow and let these harden up, and then we will get into the backing process. I love how this is coming along. We are back. It has been 24 hours. Hello? Hello? Everything is dry. It is sticky. It has been 24 hours. We are now gonna cut it out, and I'm just going to leave a good amount of overhang of the monk cloth so I can fold it over in the backing process. We will get there. Step one, cut it out. So like I said, step one, I just take my scissors and where I did the overhang of the monk cloth, I'm just gonna start making like slits all along. All my scissors suck. So I just made a little slit like that. So it comes out into a panel and then I just fold. I will get a better angle after I explain this, don't worry. But I just bend that over and fold that into the rug. I'm just gonna do that all the way around. And when you're reaching a corner, I pretty much am going to create kind of like a triangle and cut the corner out. So there's my corner. I've made one slit this way. I'm gonna make one slit this way. If my scissors will ever work. So then you can fold one side and fold the other side. I'm gonna go and try and get you guys a better angle and we'll do this whole thing. Folded it. And now we are going to put on the backing. For this, I am just using felt, cheap felt from the dollar store. If I was making this for someone else or if I was selling this rug, I would use a rug backing that was more expensive and nicer, okay? But it's for me and I'm a cheap bitch. Dollar store felt for me. All I'm going to do, again, I gotta work on these angles. Hold on. Oh my God, is that the best I got? Hold on, hold on. Ooh. Okay, that's the best I got. I pretty much am going to take my felt, my fleece. What is this? Am I okay? This is what happens when I try and push myself to get things done late. I don't know. Just put the backing on. So I just kind of put it over the whole thing. All over there, okay? Just like that. And then I'm going to do a really rough cutout because we're gonna go in and be more precise afterwards. And again, we can save this fabric because we cheap. We crafty, but we cheap. And crafting isn't cheap. Whoa, okay. I'm going to take my handy dandy hot glue gun. I'm pretty much going to put glue along this very edge, like so. And then I just fold that over and you're just gonna push. You're just gonna really give it a little all the way around this giant rug. The edge is looking fabulous. Last step is taking the scissors again and doing a closer cut all the way around. I don't know why I have to sing everything, I'm noticing, but it's probably not gonna stop, so. But this is how she's looking. We are on to shaving it, and that is a tomorrow cast problem because I am tired and this has been enough. See you tomorrow. I have my shears set to about medium, so let's get going. Oh my gosh. And just like that, we have officially finished. I love her so much. A real labor of love. I've been working on this project since, it's been like 6 months, on and off. Lots of procrastination and lots of work. We are finally here and we absolutely love her so much. It is now done and it is gonna look so good in my house. Thank you guys so much for coming along this incredibly long, but fun, grueling journey. It's so nice when we can finally have the end product. And will I learn anything from this procrastination? No, probably not, as I stare at my other Rubik's Cube pillow that I've also been doing for the last 6 months. Anyways, thank you guys so much for coming along and enjoying this journey with me. Until next time, peace!